Hi Digicians. At this channel, we are exploring ready-to-use application software and scripts that you can use directly for your business, or you can use these scripts to start a SaaS business for your clients. So from both point of view, these application softwares are really going to be very helpful for you, and you can own these all solution under $100. So you are going to start a business under $100, or you can and even avail for your business under $100. So this is very important. The price is low, that the uses are very good. So in this video, I have a very commonly used application that is called point of sale. So as you know, point of sale is very important for retail and or branded store. So I can quickly show you how you can start using a very effective point of sale system, and how you can automate the inventory management and point of sale completely by using this simple and easy to use application software. Okay, so I am going to show you quickly. I am at this interface that is point of sale, and I am going to show you how it works first. Then I'll show you the back end of this application. This is the back end and this is the front end. So I am going to show you both. This is barcode reading. So barcode is also included, just in case if you are willing to have a barcode reader or barcode application, so you can integrate this. Okay, so let us assume we are having this grocery store as point of sale, and we are going to buy POME. So POME is added. We are not buying, we are selling, in fact. And so we are creating a invoice and order for the visitor or the buyer that is coming to our store. So we are assuming this is the case only. So POME is added here simply with the price, and it can be further edited for the price, or if any negotiation of price is going on, simply you can change the price and change the tax method and all. By default, all the defaults are added here, and the price is added, and you can simply increase the price or increase the quantity, and so. And further, you can even search the product simply by typing some and letters like avocado is here, and it is simply automatically added here as soon as you selected this. So it is going to be very simple and easy to use interface, and you can add n number of products. You can generate n number of orders. Like once we added all the products, we can simply click on order now to generate the order. Okay, so on the order date and the paying amount and the grand total and the account, so account global and the sales notes is added here, and you can simply submit the order to process it further. So since it's a demo instance, okay, so you can collect the payment. Since it is a point of sale, it is very important. So you can collect the payment in cash and the payment notes. So like how many currency you received from the buyer, and also whatever you want to put a note, sales note, and you can simply submit the order. So it is a very, very simple to use. Like you can see this invoice and retail order, and it can be simply printed through the general printer that is available and connected to your computer. So it is a complete system, and you can see how effective it is and how really simply it is working for you. So I am going to show you how this current system and the complete system work for you, and how you can easily use this. So what you can do, this is point of sale. You can add a new user, like you are having multiple users at your store, you are running a branded store, so you can add new users, as many users you can you wish to add for your system, you can add here. There is no limitations, it is simple. So since you are being the super admin, so we are considering you the super admin. Since you are owning this software, you can add new users as per your requirement. You can keep adding users like by using this create option, and simply you can ally and keep the user active. Like if you are having multiple sales executive at your store, and on the counter there are many sales available. So you can create all users for them, and they can further log in with their username and password. So uh, it is very simple, and you can even assign the warehouse that you want to assign them. I mean, where user can walk. So it is very important thing. So you all users will operate the system from their account. I mean, from their login, and the data is going to be filtered accordingly. So it is a very important functionality that is available. Similarly, you can add clients like buyers you are having. You can add supplier. So all screens are here. I'm not going to show you and taking your time. It is very simple to add. Like you can add a new buyer, supplier, or client. So it is very simple. You can fill all these details, and you can add new parameters, whatever is required for your store. Like you can create endless product is very important part. So you can create product code. Like you can use the barcoding system. You can generate the random codes, and the uh, product can be further searched through the random codes, and the same can be printed on the product as well. So it is very good and interactive. You can see it is generating the randomly the product code, and it is never going to be duplicate. So it is like uh, inventory management system, and all over the system we can use this product code. And it is like SKU, if you understand these terms, stock keeping unit, and like this. So product name you can definitely put here, and you can write the product name. You can uh, choose the category and the brand and other tags and the tax method, and you can of course upload the image of the product, and the product type is a standard variable, service product cost, the pricing you have to add here, and the product unit, so meter piece, and how this product unit is going to be sold, unit sale price, and the unit purchase. So everything about a particular product can be stored here, and further you can keep changing the price or whatever information is required in the future. So this is product adding a screen, and it is really going to be very interactive and easy to use for you. Similarly, you have all the options. You can create purchases, create sales, and create adjustment, and the create transfer and add quotation. Now this is the point of sale. I'm in the front end that I shown you, and you can simply add products, and even you can assign users to do so, and you can start using this point of sale system. Now I'm going to show you the backend that is also going to manage your inventory. So this is the dashboard of backend, and you are going to be super admin, and further you can create new users as well. So this is the first screen that is showing what is going inside the system. It is going to give you a inner view and the totals at a glance. So you can understand what is the sales and all these things being done through your system. And you can see the user management and all the settings are available here. So first of all, I'll show you the settings so that you may understand how you can onboard the system, how you can start using the system. Let us assume you have installed all these things. And just in case, if you are willing to have any support regarding this, we are here. You can simply write in the comment section of this video. We can get in touch and install the system for you very quickly, very easily. And don't worry, I'm going to show you where we can buy the system, what is the system, and how much it costs actually to you. But yes, let us first understand the complete functionality, complete data flow, and how the system is going to work for us. So first of all, system setting is very important, because at the very first time you have to make all these settings for start using this application. The system setting is the screen where you can put the basic information, and like the main thing, you can select the currency like Indian rupees, you can select here, or you can create currencies here. So it is very important. Like here you have to create currency. I am not going to create any currency because this is just a test instance. By default USD is here, and you can create your currency. It is simply going to be added in the system, and you can start using in the system, your system in the currency that your country follows, or wherever you are going to use this. So like in case for Indian rupee, you can simply put the INR and the currency code and currency symbol. So it is very simple. So first of all, you can add currency, and the next setting that I was showing you, system setting. So this is the basic and very important screen. You can select your currency and default email. You can change the email and you can upload your logo because it is going to be white labeled for you. You are going to use your own logo. And the PDF footer, what information you want to add the invoice and the PDF footer, and the company name and the developed by, and you can simply change this. So it is not going to be the developer name, it is going to be yours, of course, and you can select the time zone and the company address and all. So symbol, walk-in customer type and all you can create here, and you can set all these things. Next screen is going to show you point of sale receipt. So what you want to show in the point of sale receipt, it is very, again, it is totally customizable, and you can toggle on and off what you want to show on the receipt. It is very simple. And next is SMS setting, just in case if you are willing to integrate the SMS for the sales, so you can get a API from the Twilio or the Nexmo or InfoBip. So you can of course integrate the APIs of this SMS gateways, and you can also trigger the SMS. The system will trigger the SMS accordingly. Email templates is available here, just in case if you are willing to trigger the emails for every sales and the quotation and the payment sales. So it is going to be triggered automatically, and you can completely customize the email at your own. So it is very simple to customize, and you can use these short codes like available tags that you can directly use in the email customization, and it will pull the data automatically. Currency, I have already shown you. You have to set the currency according to your requirement. Backup is a feature that you can use this for generating backup, and it is advised to keep regular backup of your system and database. Reports is another thing that is very important, because it is going to be a point of sale system, and you are going to make all sales and all the inventory is going to be managed through this system. So report are integral part. Like profit and loss report is here. You can check these reports, and it is summarily going to show you everything. Similarly, other reports like purchase reports are here. You can simply check these all reports, and you can further export the data in PDF, Excel or CSV format for further action. So just in case if you want to do this. So all these details are here, and I can show you others like product report is here. So how many products are laying in the system, and how, and what is the code of the product, what is the price, just in case if you are willing to share with someone, it is readily available in single click. Similarly, you can generate payment purchase and payment sales report and payment purchase return and the product quantity assets. So like if inventory is going to be low, it is really going to be visible here. So it is very, very important report section and setting you have already seen. Now I'm going to show you from the beginning, like you have to create users. As I said, you can create n number of users as per requirement, and you can decide the roles, what user exactly can do. So you can decide the role like manager or the sales executive, or what users can do, what users can access. So it is also a very, very important and a high demand feature in a point of sale system. As an administrator, you can decide what actually you want to show the users, like what roles you want to show to particular user category, and like warehouse and adjustment and whatever you want to allow to a particular user. It is totally in your control. You can allow the permissions, and the permission is going to be assigned according to user and the user type, so reports and all. So it is very, very useful thing that you are creating user and mapping the user roles. So it is role you can create here, and you can add create permissions accordingly. Okay, so user and roles we seen, and the people. So customers are people at the system. What customer once purchase at your through this system, it is going to be your customers, of course. and you can check the customer details, you can edit the customer details, pay all sale due at time and all this, and even you can delete the customer. So you can check the customer details like this. So what is the phone number, and the further actions, like you can see how much items and total sales has been done to a particular customer and all. Similarly, supplier details, supplies details are here, and the supplier's detail can be added to the system, and this is the create screen. You can create in the number of suppliers. Products I have already shown you, so you can create all products. You can see all products here. You can print labels that is going to be printed at the system, at the product. Okay, so you can simply choose the warehouse, and okay, so I'm going to choose warehouse on. And paper size, you can decide here like what paper size you are putting in the printer, and simply you can select the product warehouse labels that you can simply going to paste on the product for barcoding, or and the print price tag, like price tags are the is going to be correct name for this. And you can simply scan the product, search product by name, and all what is available in the system will be visible here. So Avocate is here, so we can simply select the Avocate, and it is going to be product price and the quantity, and everything is going to be here, and it can the print labels can be here, so you can generate the print labels accordingly. So it is very useful tool. Okay, so these are the print labels for Avocate. Like I shown you 10, so you can print 10 print labels. So it is totally very easy to use, and further it can be used in the barcoding reader. So Avocate is here, price is here, and barcode is here, and the product code is here. So you can simply reset all the print labels, and once you refresh, you'll get the product. So like you are setting the price, and you can further select a product like A, again B. Okay, warehouse is required here, so I'm going to select the warehouse, the A, and we can select another product like orange, and we want to put print 5 labels, so we can simply reset here. Okay, sorry, it is not like reset, orange, and the print labels is here, a refresh, and the print labels are here. So you can simply take a print out this, and further you can paste these printouts on the product. It is really very helpful in automating the product sale through POS, and it is very simply available in this system. So you can use this, of course. Similarly, category, you can create a number of categories. So whatever the category you want to use in the system. Unit is another thing, like how you and what are the measuring units that you are going to use in the system: grams, dozen, box, centimeter, piece, and whatever. Brand, you can of course create brands. So brands you are selling through your store, you can create brands here, and there is no limitation. You can create any number of brands using this form. Okay. And further on the brand, you can also select the images of brand. Okay. Warehouse is another thing. Let us say if you are having multiple store, multiple warehouse, you can create new warehouses, and the warehouse creation form is again very simple. Adjustment is the thing where you can do all the adjustment, like warehouse 1 to 2, and you can create further adjustment and all such things. So if product is being sold, it is also going to be deducted from the inventory, and all the reports can be seen in the report section. It is very, very useful automation software for your store, and even if you are creating for your client, it is going to be fully functional and very easy to use. Okay, so now I am going to show you the transfer. So what are the transfer? Or transfer can be seen here, and you can further create new transfer as per your requirement from here to there. you can create transfers and all. Quotation, just in case if you are willing to have quotations and create new quotations, you can do this. Since it is a complete sales management system, you can create quotations as well. Next, you can keep track of all purchases and you can enter all the purchases, and it is again very simple screen to add new purchases here. So of course you are running a store and you have to make some purchases, and if in fact all purchases, and you have to maintain all these purchases. So you can create new purchases and start selling at your store. Like you can select the date, you can choose a supplier and where you want to put the product, and further you can add new products for the purchases. Like again, if you are buying oranges, and so you can buy the orange, and you can keep the order tax and the discount and shipping cost and all these details. Sales details can be handled here, like complete sales details are here, and the whom is it, the product has been sold and what are the details can be seen here. Or even it can be created like sales. If you are going to create direct sales, it is here. Sales returns, just in case if it is required to you, you can have this feature. So just in case if you want to create a return of any particular sale, it can be done here, and it can be the details can be seen here: edit returns, show payments, and all the details. Similarly, purchase return option is here. If any purchase has been made, the return option is here. Accounting. So it is again going to be a very integral part of our POS, and complete accounting system is here. Like this is the account list. You can create new account list, account global, and you can create the account list as per your requirement, and you can create deposits in the account system, and so you can create new deposits at your account that you have created, like global account and the category and the and deposit reference. Choose payment methods, and like payment methods can be chosen here. Attachment, just in case if any ready challan and all such things are here, so you can add those papers as attachment. Similarly, expense accounting can be handled here, and the expense category can be created and decided here. Deposit category is here, and the payment methods. So this is a complete system that you can use as point of sale, accounting, inventory management, and it is going to be a very useful system for your store or your client store, or even a branded store can use this system. So I believe this is going to be a complete solution for point of sale, inventory, and sales management. And now it is time. I am going to tell you which is this system. And first thing, it is just available just for $19. Amazingly, it is available for $19 only. You can have this system. You can run the system even at your local machine. If you can create the environment, you can host at it at your server. Hosting comes nowadays very simple pricing. Like you can even have the hosting in $25 for a year, in fact. And you can run this program on a simple hosting. Don't need to take a very high range server. So you are going to create this complete system under $50, and it is really a very good solution. So it is called POSly, and it is a POS with inventory management system, and it is a complete solution, and it had been developed by UI. You can buy the solution by following the link given in the description, and as I said, you can reach us just in case if you want any installation and customization support. We are here for you, and you can use the system for your store in all payment method, in all countries, in all languages. So it is totally useful system, and you have multiple functionalities for this system, and you can read all these details. I'm adding the link. Just buy the system and get in touch with us. We are going to help you in making it live for you, so you can handle the product, sales, customers, reports, point of sales, and warehouse using this POSly POS inventory management system. I believe this video remained helpful for you, and in the next video I'm coming with more solution. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.